Okay. I think you all got the number one. What is the leading term?
0.2.
Right. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive is even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. So it's going to be the right going to go up, so positive infinity, and the left going to go down. Right. So you all got first line positive infinity, second line is negative infinity. Very good. Now look at number two. I think that two group didn't quite get this one correctly. Is that always the front? The leading term, it says always in the front?
No.
No. It's on the front when it's on the standard form, but it not always give you the standard form. Okay, so what is the leading term?
Five.
The highest power. Okay, so what is the LC? LC is
Positive.
positive. What is the
Odd.
degree?
Odd.
Odd. Okay, so let review this a little bit. This is the first thing you already need to write. Just lead you where you need to go. Okay. LC, leading coefficient, you're gonna look at the number in front of the highest power. Okay, the number is positive. So this is you always need to write x go to positive infinity and x go to negative infinity. You need to write every time. Okay, f of x goes to f of x goes to, and this is where you need to fill in the blank. Okay, so the way we write the first line based on the first line of LC, positive. So it's going to positive infinity. That from this information. Okay, I'm reviewing it throughout the lesson right now. And then the degree is odd. What does it mean when the degree is odd?
The opposite.
Right. When the degree is odd, that's mean the two ends they go different direction. This is the right. Okay. And the second one, the second line is the left. So if the right positive infinity, the left must go different way. Like you cannot copy down, just flip it and make it the second line. Okay. All right. When I ask you to describe the end behavior, this is the answer. Okay. This is the answer. If you just give me this, then it's not the answer. This is just a guide for you to answer this thing. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Number three is kind of easy. So they both the right go to negative infinity and the left also go to negative infinity. If you write like this, they both go to negative infinity. What is the LC? Where did you looking at? The negative. LC is the right. Okay. So the right is going down. That means the leading coefficient is negative. It's kind of slope. Slope is negative. And then because they have the same direction, so what is the degree?
Even.
Even. Very good. So the purpose of this review is to work with the sign. Okay. So negative, I will write everything except the x. Make sure you write down also Abraham. Yeah? No point. Negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2.
Where is the R equal?
So what did we get wrong?
Oh no, actually no. It's good. I thought this is number 2. I thought this is number 2. Number 2. It should be plus negative.
Mister,
Okay.
that is what I put.
Huh?
That is what I put.
No, I thought that blue one is number 2.
Oh,
All right, negative 2 to the power 4 is negative 2 to the power 4 is positive 16. But then you have the negative on the front. Again, this negative is not affected by the 4. So you're going to have negative 16. What is negative 2 to the power 3? Negative 8 or positive 8? Negative 8. Because this is the odd power. So negative 8. Negative 2 squared.
Positive 4.
Because the power is even. So plus 4. Negative 2 is just negative plus 2. Again, if there are only plus and minus, you can do whatever order you want. I see negative 2 and plus 2. I can just cancel one first. Okay. That's what I saw there with also this one too. Good. Negative 16 minus 8 is?
Negative 24.
Negative 24 plus 4 is?
20.
Negative 20. So that's the answer. Okay. Yeah, just take a picture. All right, so why I am erasing this, you can start writing the step. Let's do the survey. Do you want me to give you the little note again to glue on your notebook?
Yeah.
Or you want to write at this? You want to write by yourself? I'm gonna write on the board and you write by yourself. Who want to give the note? Who want to get the note from me? Oh, different from the other period. Who wants to just write the note down by yourself. Oh, we have two dynamics, huh? The other period too, they want it to be like this. They said it's when they write it memorize more. Also, they can read their whole handwriting. Okay, let's just write this time, and then next time I can give you the notes.
We have.
Huh? Yeah. So let me write this.
Yeah.
So why I erase this? You can write a note, okay?
Wait, mister.
Yeah.
Why does that say 7C when it's?
So I will tell you what happened. The first step, you start doing the first step on the 7C, not 7B. So that's why I put a little star here at 7C. Because this in this lesson, you don't need to do the first step, but I need to write the whole thing. What a topic for today. What we gonna learn today? What we gonna do today? Yeah, so we already learned how to sketch the two ends. Now we're gonna learn how to do the middle part, okay? But as I said, the middle part, we're gonna start from 7C. So 7B is just I'm gonna ease you in. It's very easy to do the sketch if you know the solution. So that's what we're gonna do today. We will have 6 examples today. Only 6. But one example take up 30 minutes. No one noticed that. Okay, anyway. We don't have any holiday next month, but we have a spring break next month. Huh? Maybe. I haven't planned it yet, but are you going somewhere? To get another what? Black eyes. Maybe. You still remember that?
You had a black guy. Oh, you look like you got.
Interesting when you know what when my freshman counselor saw me with black eye, what did he ask? You know what did he say? Mr. Jimmy.
I would have the same thing. I like black. So like you know you had to be black.
Yeah, but what?
Would you win against the white?
I chose to not to. Happy white, happy black.
That's true. That black guy shows that the husband is never happy.
That's true, right?
Happy wife is never happy husband. I should have picked that.
Back today, you can touch me. I should get, okay, I should get that out of the recording. All right, are we done?
We need help.
Huh?
We need choices, we need help.
Oh.
Oh, you put it right there.
You know, that's also on Starbucks,
Okay, I'm saving.
that, the barista just say, oh, with the app upside down screen to let it read. That's a secret code. If you with someone and you, I think if you flip the cap, something I forgot. That's mean you're in dangerous. So the barista is gonna know. That's some secret code. Yeah.
You think Starbucks is not?
Murder you. I was gonna say that I would do that.
We're still writing a note.
Yeah,
Okay, all right, sorry. You know, when we do this, like, multiple choice, we just do figurative signs. A, B, C, D. Like A, then B. That's why I told you I know all the tricks, you know? Yeah.
Take a picture of that.
What's that?
Wait, Mister, what's like the best like, cheat thing you can do?
Have you cheated
Oh, yeah,
on that test?
yeah.
Any part of it, anyone?
Middle school.
Okay, middle school.
High school, I did once.
What's that one?
The biology.
Yeah, cause one's my.
We need to learn like 10 pages. Learn by heart 10 pages. For biology. So yeah, I
Take a
did.
picture of it.
How did she?
Now let me think.
Okay, he said like.
He tattooed it on.
Wait, why are we talking about this? No, I'm not gonna show you how to cheat. I don't want to see.
How did you?
Maybe after we stop recording.
I feel like
Okay.
We're still writing it. Are we done?
It's too bad.
Not to outside with this. It takes a long time. Okay, let's start. Let's get started.
Oh, do we find the alpha?
All right. So yeah, we be getting there. Step by step. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Sabrina, Joanna, let's come back here. No problem. All right. What is the first step?
Factor
Factor. Okay. How do we factor this?
X.
How many terms? 3 terms. But what is the first step you need to do?
Find the GCD.
The GCD, the X, right? So, can anyone tell me?
X squared
X squared
minus
minus 6
Six.
X plus
Plus eight.
8.
plus 8. All right, 3 terms. What do you want to do?
The smiley face thing.
A smiley face when you have some number on the front of
Break
this.
it into two.
Just,
Find the.
we just did.
Break it into two. Two parentheses.
2 parentheses. Yeah, what is the name? What is the finding combination? Finding combination. Let's see if creating 1 point.
You find the combination.
Oh, you don't find it?
Oh, no.
All right, what are 2 numbers multiplied to 8?
4 and 2.
4 and 2. You think 4 and 2 can give you 6?
Negative and negative.
Right.
What? You thought you were playing too.
Okay, so I'm gonna be
What did I do?
4 and 2, so X. So we will go back to the factoring, okay? I mean, next lesson. We're gonna learn one last method of factoring, and that you're gonna done, enough for the factoring. You're gonna be master of factoring. All right. Is that finished? Yeah, right? So what is the solution? That is the first step we just did. Factor. Now, second step, find all solution. What is solution for this? X equal to
4.
X equal to
X equals 0.
and X equal to 0. Don't forget our old friend here, okay? X equal to 0. Okay. Yeah, who framed the 0? You are 0, you are nothing. Okay. What you gonna do? We're gonna plot them on the x-axis. Can someone tell me the reason why we're gonna plot them on the x-axis? Why this point on the x-axis, Valerie? No, but like why this point must be on the x-axis?
It's all there.
Does X equal 4?
Because it's equal to 4.
So right there, X equal.
No, I mean, okay, we're
So
gonna
for the
plot them
cursor-
on the axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. This is 2. But my question is, why this point on the axis? Like not on around here or not on the y-axis, but why it need to be on the axis? Because
The middle
Why?
point.
it is the x-intercept, but why?
That's why the curves are.
The graph is gonna pass. That will show you the LC.
So keep saying. If it's hard to say more correct, I'm gonna tell you. Why this point?
Where the curve begins.
Why this
Wait,
point
what's that?
on the axis, not somewhere else, not anywhere else, but need to be on the axis?
Because we'll show where the lines go through, so that it's a function. Wait.
Keep going.
Because it's the middle.
What?
But like the T, you get the endpoint, so then you start and you do the end middle points.
No.
So you know where the Y is?
No, listen my question carefully. Why this point need to be on here, not somewhere else?
Because it's the X axis.
Just
It's
all
equal
to
to
the
X.
X.
It's for X.
X.
Because they are solution, there need to be the. Remember when I told you solution also the what?
The roots.
Yeah, it's also the root, it's also the x-intercept. Because solution is the x-intercept.
Pretty sure like 50%.
I don't even hear. Alright, so this point needs to be on the x-axis because they are x-intercept, because they are solution. Because, no, yeah, she said x-intercept, but she didn't say because they are solution. Because they are solution.
Why are
That's the reason why.
the solution?
Because they are solution. The solution must be on the x-axis. That's the reason why. Okay?
We basically said it.
Delete that picture right now.
Alright, that's step 2. Now step 3. Find the middle point. What is the middle point of solution? No. That's, I mean, yeah, that kind of confusion, but the middle point between the solutions.
2.
No.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. This is 1 and this is 3. You know what I mean now? The point between the solution, not the solution itself. Okay? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So what is solution? 0,
1,
2, and 4. You're gonna find the point between this pair. Okay? Between 0 and 2, the middle point is 1. Between the 2 and 4, the middle point is 3. You don't find the middle point between 0 and 4. No, we want to find 2 consecutive numbers, solution. Yeah? So these 2, you find the middle point, these 2, you find the middle point. Does it make sense? All right. The reason why I put an X right here, because this point not on the x-axis. Why? Why 1 and 3 cannot be on the x-axis?
They're not solution.
They're not solution. Very good. Let's give them now 1 point. They're going to already get per. Yeah. So yeah, does it make sense? So how can we find the 1 and 3? Where is the exact location? Because they're not on x-axis. How do we find it? T-table. That's very good. So that you're gonna need to do the T-table. Okay. 1 and 3. Some question for you. Do you plug it in 1 right here or you plug in here better?
There.
This is better. I think this is better. Okay, so plug in 1. I have 1. 1 minus 4 is -3. 1 minus 2 is -2. It's faster. Yeah, you don't need to deal with the power, the exponent. Okay. -3 times -2 is
6.
6. Now 3, plug it in here. I plug it in here. Okay. It's 3. 3 minus 4 is -1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3 times -1 is
-3.
-3. So I have 2 points. Now I know exactly where is the 1 is, right? 1, 6, and 3, -3. Question. Ask me a question.
Mister,
Can you just like do that again?
I will. I'm doing it right now.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm gonna write the more space right here.
It's easy.
Chill, calm. All right, 1 and 3 again. I'll say it again. 1 and 3. Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? So I know you have a lot of questions, so I'm gonna start again. 1 and 3 is not on the x-axis because they are not solution. Okay, but how do I know where do they lie? How do I know? Then I need to use the t-table to find what is the y value, right? So t-table, I plug it in 1 and 3 into here. But there's a better way to plug it in. Where?
The last one.
This one. They are the same, right? This you factor it, you get this equation, correct? So instead of plug it in here, you can. Obviously, you can. You can plug it in here as well because they are the same. Yeah, no? Yeah, right? Yeah, your face is kind of scary. Yeah. All right. Then I plug it in whenever I see x, I'm gonna plug it in 1. Okay, so 1. And then what is 1 minus 4? I just do in one shot. That's why I think the confusion come from. 1 minus 4 is -3. It's multiplication, right? 1 minus 2 is -1. Did we do wrong last time?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the reason why. My bad, my bad. I'm testing you.
You are not.
That's why you look confused.
So
Okay.
3.
It is positive 3. You should let me know where you confused. All right, 3. Plug it in 3 here. 3 minus 4 is -1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then I have -3. So now I know exactly where the 1 is, right? 1 and 3. So 1, 1, 2, 3. This one right here.
Why is it wrong?
Question?
Oh,
Question, clarity, question?
I got it confused.
Yeah, so I plug it in 1 right here. To this function. See, answer this. Did you see that? Okay, 3 and -3. 1, 2, 3 right here. Now you know exactly where's the point. Does it make sense? But using T table. So you don't need to actually rely on the step by step. You kind of know the goal is to sketch the graph. We know all the point on the axis already. We need to know the middle point because they're gonna make the turn. This point is where they make the turn. Okay? The turn happened between the solution. All right, what is the next step? Where were we right now? Right? So determine the end behavior and draw the two ends. I will tell you why. Good. This is the new from this year. From last year, I didn't have this step. And okay, I will show you. And then this one, I just think about, I think a lot to get this. You need to do it first to prevent a mistake. I will show you why. So let's do first, and we'll explain to you the reason. Determine the end behavior. That's what we just did. LC and degree. What is the LC? Positive, right? LC is positive. So that means you have the right side go where? You don't need to really write whole thing, but I just write for you to connect with the one we just learned. What is the degree? Odd. What does it mean for the left? It's negative. You flip it because they go different direction. Okay. So again, to remind you, this is the right end. This is the left end. To the right go up and the left go down. Right? Draw the two ends first. This is very important. I will tell you why. Can I erase this? We got off straight. Can I erase this? Yeah. Okay. This is from last year. I get a lot of creative from a creative graph from this point. I don't want to erase it. That's why I need to space. Okay. It looks like this, right? Okay. So now the last job is connect this. This is what last year student did. That makes me think we need to do this. Okay. This is what they did. Very creative. Who want to connect on this point? Pew. Pew. They also do this.
Oh my God.
It is. It is. No, there is. They don't know where to go. They just connect all the point. Or even this. Or even this. Very creative. That's crazy too. Yeah.
I mean, that'll.
So look at this point. No, it's actually if you look at this point, somehow you will confuse like how we're gonna connect them correctly.
Two curves.
Like you think there's a lot of way to connect this, right? But no, only one way. Only one way. How do we know the one way? Draw the two end first. That's gonna help you to draft this. Okay, two end. The right go up or down?
Up.
Up. So the point on very right need to go up. So this one go up. Left, up or down? So the point on the very left need to go down. This one, right? 0 is a left point, right? So go down. Now from here, can you connect the point? Who wants to do on the board? You get 2 points. Ooh, okay, open. Please raise your hand first. Is it? All right, they give Irma 1 point.
Wait, you forgot the all the way down. No, no.
Melanie.
You forgot the all the way down.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
So close, Irma. Why?
I'm like half blind right now. Like,
So we remember.
actually,
It's
that's
the point for Sabrina.
60% blind.
Is that it, mister?
That's it. That's it. All right, 2 points, Sabrina. Very good. Yeah.
And so you do two curves.
So one way to prevent those creative going, draw 2 ends first. You know where to go. Okay, and the middle point is easier to figure out. Okay. That's it.
That's it. Four.
What if it's not bad?
Good question. Any question?
Wow, you're ignoring me.
So ignore me, so I did it again. Nice defense. See that? After I said I said it, that's like, oh, right. Actually, this is the answer for your question. So for the 7B, for the lesson today, I will always give you the factor form. That's why I said this one is going to solve on the 7C. So you don't need to factor it. Okay, for this homework, for this lesson, I always give you the one that already factored. Okay. Yeah, only one part.
Oh, really?
Yeah, only one part. Yeah. All right. So I that already answered your question, right? Who wants to start? All right, Louis, let's go. Okay. All right. X equal to positive 3. X equal to -1. All right. One more for Louis. Who wants to fix this?
X equal to.
X equal to. All right.
Oh, for the negative two. It's negative two.
All right. Who wants to fix it again? Even worse. That's nothing. You only have 0 when there's X on the front. There's no X, there's nothing.
Oh.
All right. Does it make sense? So no X, nothing. Nothing happened. No solution. I mean, there's nothing you need to write. Okay.
No X, nothing.
No X, nothing. No, oh, I see. Let's see what
She's not gonna give me any more points. Oh, you don't have it. I didn't know.
What?
Okay. Where's the 3? Where do I put it again? X axis. Remember that, okay? 1, 2, 3. And -1.
Oh my God, what happened to me?
What next? Yeah, question.
So is this, you don't have 3 points, all of them are just.
Say again.
Because for the other one, if you had 3 points.
Right.
you had one each, like individual.
Right.
How do you know which middle points to use?
Just for every consecutive solution, you're gonna find the number in between.
All of them.
All of them. Right. I mean, if you have a lot of here, okay, you need to find for each one, not like whole thing, like not the middle one of these two.
So if it's specific-
Need to be consecutive solution.
Does it have negative points?
Right. So you only need to find a middle point between these two. Yeah. What is the middle point between these two solutions? This is -1 and this is 3. What is the middle point? Exactly middle. Not just, yeah, 1, right?
What?
Does it make sense? The middle point of the solution. So the middle point between -1 and 3 is 1. What next? Can you try to do without look at the step by step? What next? Table, because I don't know where the 1 is, okay? Do the T table. 1 here. Oh, in this one place for you to plug it in. So because on a 7B, I don't give you the other form, I give you the factor form. So to plug it in here, what do you have? -2. 1 minus 3 is
Negative
2.
Negative
-2. 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. What is this then?
8.
Positive 8 and -8.
Positive.
Positive 8. So 1, 8. You only 1 point. 1. Oh, also, you don't need to give me the really accurate point. You can just, okay, 1, 8, just plot any top here and let's say it's 1, 8. Okay, then estimate it. Because that's not the point. We for the shape of this problem, we just want to see what shape is that. Okay. All right. LC. Now look at this. How do you know what is the LC?
Positive. No, I don't know.
You
Positive.
foil,
That's-
and you distribute the thing. Negative.
You distribute, that's going to be a long way. Yeah.
Positive.
Foil.
Is it positive?
Wait, what are we talking about?
Is it negative?
Negative.
Who say positive? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Who say negative? All right. It is negative. Why negative? The number. So LC is the number on the front. Okay. Let me write here number on the front. So this is positive. You know, I mean, it's negative. All right. Now the degree. What is the degree? Why is it even?
There's 2 X's.
Right. So degree. How do you know the degree? You want to count the x. Count the x. How many x you see here?
2.
1, 2. So degree is 2. That's even. Okay, that's even. Based on here, what is the right side going? Up,
Down.
negative. Go down, right? What is the left side going?
Go down.
Also down because it's even. So they go in the same direction. So this is also down. Now, this information can already give you the information for the 2n. Draw that first, okay? Oh, this is easy to connect this, right? This is obvious. There's only one way to do this. So connect this. What is the note right here?
No shopping.
No sharp turn. Draw like this. This is not correct. Okay, no sharp turn. It needs to be curved. So you're not like make the sharp. You need to be curved like this. Okay. Any questions?
It's so ugly. Mr. Do we have homework today?
What type of question is that? Yeah, can I raise it? Question.
So like, if we can have more like explanation like this for you. Or the problem.
Or the LC? We're talking about LC. The number on the front. Yeah. Can I raise this?
Yes.
Huh?
You're like,
Are you gonna raise
How many of you have actually watched the recording? Remember I told you to watch the recording and instead of doing the data math?
It was like an hour long.
How many have, yeah, I know it's a 1 hour. How many actually watch it?
Hour long.
I was like a little bit.
Watch what?
It's like,
Oh, no.
for like 20 minutes.
I skipped through it.
I was like, no.
I use time 5 3.
Oh, hell no, I went crazy over that. I just didn't want to see any more like graphs with that.
Okay, Chris?
I was waiting for him to come out.
All right, let's start. What is this then? X equal to -6. And X equal to -2. Very good. Chris actually started.
What happened?
Maybe I should not call Chris.
It's not so.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Is it double root?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Yeah, the square. Double root. Very good. 1 point for Chris.
Oh, okay.
Because I want someone to make a mistake.
Oh, that's great.
You learn from the mistake.
No, I don't.
Forcing us to make mistakes.
Yeah. What like if you don't make a mistake? If you don't make a mistake, then That's boring, right? I mean,
Our mistakes are fun.
it is fun. All right, -6, where do I put it?
You weren't even planning.
Again, I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -6, -2. All right. What's special about -2 again? It is double root, it is a square, right? I always, this is my way. You can do the same way with me, or you don't want, if you don't want to. I always put the box, the square on the root that have dr. I will tell you why, but that's what I always do. Okay. I always show you the way to make less mistake. Okay, what next? Can you don't look at the step by step? Tell me what next?
In the middle.
The middle. What is the middle point of -6 and
-4.
-2? -4. How can I know what is the exact location of -4? T table, put -4 here. Who can get me the number? Raise your hand. Okay, Fernando, what do we have? Calculate -4. What is the y? 10? So -4 plus 6 is 2. -4 plus 2 is -2. -2 square is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And then you see a negative out front. So -8. Right? Did you get -8? No? No. Is that correct?
He just pulled up the. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's -8. Yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah, 1 point for Fernando, -4, -8. So again, you don't need to give me exact locations. Just estimate it's down here and write -4, -8. Okay.
It was high.
All right. Who want to go to the ball and wrap it? Carlos, yes, go. So when you go to the ball, you're gonna have 2 points because that the courage to go to the ball to do the friend. So you correct 1 point and then Carlos, let's go.
With the LC.
So you want to figure out LC degree. So you know where it's going. Huh? Yeah, you're wrapping, but maybe you need to draw the 2 ends first, right?
Do you the double right together? What's on?
Huh?
Yeah.
This one. So figure out the 2 ends. Yeah, 2 ends.
Is it negative and you keep it?
Because it's
No.
actually, so negative and so I think it
I don't know.
this. He, this, oh. Oh.
Okay. All right. One point for Carlos. Do you see what I meant? You want to be very creative in here. Yeah, that's why.
This is why.
This is
Like, I mean.
Did a next step.
All right. Who wants to try? All right, young guy, let's go.
I already have 3, I need 2.
I will call you next month.
Does he have
I
it?
think all you do it.
I got 3.
Yeah, I give you 1 point.
Why am I going out?
All right. One for young. Last person. Okay, last person.
I gotta finish.
Abraham, you want to do it? Abraham.
I'm still going.
You want to do it? Okay.
What's wrong?
Why would you say that?
So many people are going to get points. Nobody ever.
No. No talking. Let's do it.
Do it then.
Oh, but it's even.
It's on.
It's
No.
even.
Oh, no one raised hand?
Oh, wait, Mr. It goes down.
This is correct. It is correct.
It goes down again.
All right, 2 points for Abraham.
I know, I'm fine.
Correct?
That's the reason why. Yeah, I wonder why Yonga put the right hand going down, but then he put up. You see that? This is supposed to going down. She got it, but then she draw it up. That's why. That's the reason why. That's the reason why I want you to draw the two ends first.
No, but
If you don't draw the two ends first, you have a tendency to go up.
It doesn't connect.
Look at this. Look at this.
Does it really labor deep?
It doesn't look as good as you do it once.
But the minus.
So you count how many x's, right?
Oh, no.
So 1, 2, but this is square. So this is 3. 1, 2, 3. Because this is square. You have 2x right here. Right. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So there are 2x right here, not just 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. That's the odd. Okay. Now look at the two end. This is the right side going down, or going up. Go down. Negative infinity. So the point on the right is this. So you go down. The left side is like up or down? Up, right? So you go up like this. Now the question is, how can I go here? Past this point. But it's still going down. The only way you can do is this. Okay? But why? Why this one is the bounce? Because square double root. If you write a note, you should write this one too. Did you see this one? It's always here. dr square is bounce. That's why I told you before, dr very important. You will know why later on. The reason why is this. Whenever I see the double root, they bounce back. They're not cut through. They're not going through like this, -6. The -2 is dr. That's why when it hit the -2, it's bounce back. That's the reason why the dr very important. Like I told you, if you forgot the dr, I'm gonna take one off. That's the reason why. They're very important. Yeah, does it make sense? So that's why I want you. This is my way. I always box like this, so that I know this root is square. The square, right?
What if there's 2 square? 6.
It's still bounce.
So,
As long as the power is even. Like x to the 4, x to the 6 is still bound. Okay. Only when it's odd, then you cut through it. Does it make sense? Yeah.
how many more problems?
Huh?
How many more?
Okay. Do you remember I told you about degree and the term? What is the degree?
On
3, right? Degree 3. How many terms you see here?
2.
2. 2 turn degree 3. Yeah. So that's also you can check your work. Any question? Any question? All right.
We put it in. So it's -4.
I can't change it because I'm not really like Apple, like if I go to
All right, I want to read it. Just take it. Should basically make this more.
X equal I.
Just let's start. What is the first step you need to do? You factor, but this factor is already factor for you. What's the next step? X equal to -1. Very good. Right? Is x equal to 1. Double root. Good job. X equal to 5. All right. And then you plot. Where do you plot them? On the x-axis. Yeah. You only on example 4. This is your question, ask me, okay? 1 point was just today, very good. So -1, put problem here, -1, 1. What's special about 1 again?
Double root.
Double root DR. So I put a square here, so I know this is square, okay? And then 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 right here. All right. We have a lot of solution here. What is the middle point for this solution?
0 and 3.
0 and very good. You got this now. So 0 and 3. Now, to know the exact location of 0 and 3, I need to use the T-table. So we learn in class right now. You don't need to rely on the step by step. 0, plug it in. What do you have?
Is this 0?
Just 0. Are you sure? No. Yeah, they're not always 0. Look at here. 0 plus 1 is?
Oh.
Yeah. Don't assume. 0 minus 1 is? It's -1. And -1 square is?
Is 1.
It's still 1. Okay. And 0 minus 5 is?
-5.
So what did you have? Negative?
-10.
-10. Plug in the 3. What do we have? So 2 times 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 square. And then 3 minus 5 is? All right. So what did we have here? 2 square is 4.
4, 8.
8. Oh, this is 8. I thought it was.
Yeah, 8.
Yeah. 8 times 4. 32.
32.
32 times -2.
-64.
-6.
-64.
-64. Again, see big number, don't worry, because I don't need to do to give me the accurate, precise location. Just estimate it, okay? 0, -10. Just put some point right here and say this is 0, -10. 3, -64. But it didn't make sense, okay? If -64, can I put -64 right here? No,
All
right?
the way down.
Do things make sense. Or way out here. So 3, -64. All right, who want to wrap this? Go to the board.
I mean, no.
David, let's go. Do it by yourself first before you compare the result from David. Okay, let's go. Just figure out the LC degree to do the two ends first.
Can I graph it?
If you know already, then you don't need to. Yeah, you can do it. What is the right side? Right side go up or down? Yeah, you should do that first. You should do that first. I don't think you're ready for that.
You're right. Do it. Let's do it then.
You need to look at the function. That's where you got information.
I won't do it. Wait.
1, 3.
Four is even, yeah. But that's the degree, yeah, that's the degree. How about it? How about the LC? Why is negative?
Oh, because it's in the middle. Yeah, it's really good.
Wait, so it's like this, like the book that I have, right?
Okay. All right, one more for David. Who wants to do
I'll
it?
do it.
Did I call screen now? I don't know, but let's go. Only, okay, first thing,
Yes.
you don't bounce on the one that not the double root. This one bounce already not correct, okay? Right, LC. What is LC? How do you know the LC? LC is a number in the front, okay? So that's going to be positive. Positive means what is the right side going? Right. So positive, so that's mean the right side go up, but also the degree is even because 1, 2, 3, because you have square right here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means even. Even means yeah, 2 points for Donovan. Very good. 2 points. Yeah. You go to the board. That's another point. Does it make sense? So positive. That means it's going to positive on the right side. Going to positive. Even. That means they both just copy down. They both in the same direction. So 2 ends. Start with the 2 ends. This one go up. This one also go up, and then you need to connect this. I need to go through this point. I need to go this point.
I need one more.
So this is now bounce back because that's a square BR right there. So bounce back and hit this one. Yeah. Very good. How do you think about unit 7 so far? Is it good? Good.
I got you. I got you.
Can you break this? Yeah. Yeah. Then two more.
Yeah. Can you do the next one? Can you do the next one?
Yeah, sure.
Why should we get each other party?
Even if it's a paper, like, why not? I always break mine out. Like, you're
It's go right. Yeah, just go and with your homework. Yeah, just go. Oh, you 10 minutes, but she's okay. So yeah, get a homework here on the way out. See you Friday. Okay. You should not sell the information easily. $1. I gotta give you the information. You want to go to the board later to get 2 points? Yeah, but you're gonna drop it later, 2 points. Yeah. So let me get some who doesn't have point today. Gary, I know you know to do it. Did you do it? Speak up, speak up. What did you do? X equal to 0. Double root, very good. X equal to -4. Double root. X equal to 2. Very good. Where did you put it? On the axis. You can do by yourself as well, okay? This is already a sample number 5. So if you know how to do it, to do by yourself. And then compare the answer over here.
I wish I knew.
0. Double root, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I do it?
Double root, and then 2, 1, 2.
Feels like,
Yeah? Did you see I put a square here? Because that's I know this is square, this is double root. Okay? 1 point for Gary. Now who can tell me what to do next? Jacob, what I'm gonna do next? Find the middle point. So this is 0, this is -4. What is my middle point? -2, very good. -2 right here. What else? 1. How can I know the exact location of these two? What I'm gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna do the T table. Okay. So -2 and 1. Can you help me to find what's the -2 and 1? So just write out everything. Okay, here. -2 times -2 square. Yeah. And then -2 plus 4 is 2. So 2 square. 2 square. And then -2 minus 2 is -4. What is this then? So this is 4. This is 4. Another 4. So 4 cubed is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. Right? 128. Now let's take care of the sign. Do you remember I told you to do a number first? Take care of the sign later. So I know this one going to be 128. Then I have one negative. This negative becomes square, so it's gone. Negative become positive. So 128. Yeah. Now last one, Jacob. So -2 times 1 square is still 1. You need to write 1 plus 4 is 5 square. 1 minus 2 is -1. What is this then? 5 square is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. So write a number first and now take care of the sign. How many negative signs you see? 2. So become positive. Yeah. 1 point for Jacob. Good job. Oh, this Irma gonna do it. All right. Yeah. She already reserved. She did point. You help. You good. If she didn't get it right, and you can go. Now someone hope you get it wrong, so be careful. What is the degree?
it's negative and
No, not yet.
Just like who is it?
Only the, sorry. It's not so. Oh my gosh, show him the picture with the baby.
Okay. But why this information helpful? You write down, but you didn't follow that direction.
It's the servicing. Cause it's negative, wait.
Well, hell no, that looks nothing like him. Why are we doing something like that?
So fill this out, follow the direction. You didn't follow
Oh, oh,
this. You didn't
okay.
follow this.
You said-
Draw the two ends first. Did you draw the two ends first?
Okay.
You see, okay, you see that.
Please don't even touch.
Yeah.
Where's the point here? Right here, right? No, -2.
Have you ever gone to a you see that, but you just see it working slowly and that is like, that's not awesome.
Like right here.
Like 2 times. You see clear. Crazy it is. It's really shining in color. We can't even hear you.
That does not look great.
All right, 1 point for Irma. I know, right? That's why I told you that it's going to be very creative.
Okay, this is what I got.
That's why do this one. That's gonna help you a lot. Draw the two ends first. This is for you to figure out the two ends. You didn't write two ends.
Wait, yes? No, hell no.
Right, so the right going down,
One,
the right going down, the left going up. Okay.
oh my god,
Can I go next?
me too, little bro.
I think the point one and you.
Okay, what happened to solidarity? No, we have like two. We have to like.
Hey, Mr. Mr.
Bro, so much.
Give me like 2 points.
No, he hasn't. I got like one for today and. then-
All right, 1 point for
Yeah, never mind.
Dana. Let's go.
That's all I needed. That's all I needed. How is it going down?
See, it's not easy, even though
What do you?
Wait,
Wait,
Oh,
Mr.
oh,
How?
I know.
It's the red goes down. Oh. Yo.
Oh, no.
it's strong on the point. It's strong on the point. -2. Where's the -2?
What? Mister.
No, I didn't ask you. I just asked her.
All like messed up.
It is.
Mister, can I do
It's so
it?
positive.
It's like, yeah.
Huh?
Oh my god.
There we go. You found it. Oh, they do some make sense too. 128 and 50, they're not close. You know what I mean, Kayla? 128 and 50, they're not that close.
Yeah,
So,
that's-
yeah, do some make sense. Yeah, lower a little bit. Right, okay. Okay, now what next? The right go where? Do the right, do the two ends first.
Mr. I have a question.
Yes.
There's parentheses and there's no number in front, like, is it?
Let's be positive then. Because one, invisible one, positive.
Oh,
Even unless you have some negative on the front, that's -1, right? Right, so now how do you connect them?
I can't see the point, that's why.
So we have.
Yeah, you basically have all the money.
I don't know if I could have.
Did you yell it? Does she know? I don't know. All right, good job, Kayla. One more, Kayla. All right, at least Sabrina has been. You're not ready? Okay, Ruby then. You? Are you ready?
It's not okay.
No, wait.
All right, now you go. Yeah, yeah, it's really ready. Come in. No, you don't look at this. Yeah, that's to be fair.
But it like feels different looking at it from here and then from up there.
Yeah.
It like feels different.
That's the same thing when you have the stress, anxiety when you do a test.
No,
So that's the same thing.
Stop on your board.
Experience it.
Huh?
You're making us experience it ahead of time.
Wait, wait, can I move
Oh, I
this?
forgot about the.
They all quiet. They're waiting for you to get wrong. Careful. Yeah, is it? What is this? Can you? But does it look like this?
What?
But the answer? Hi.
What did you answer me?
I don't know.
No, what did you
Did I
ask
say?
me? I don't know what you
No, I
asked me.
didn't answer.
What did you ask?
I forgot. What question is?
Swear. No, he didn't. You're lying. You're lying.
Talking about.
Hey, mister, is it true that we only need 4 points?
Mister, I think that someone
Last
really
week.
wants
It's
to
the last
say-
week.
Bro.
We will be a test last week. All right, 1 point for Ruby. You're Sabrina. Now your turn. Now your job is very easy.
I like that.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let me draw this one. Exactly, yeah. Good. All right, 2 point for Sabrina. Very good. See, it's not that easy that you thought. Do the 2 end first. Let's go down on the right hand.
I trust
Let's
in
go
you.
up on the left hand. Why did it bounce again?
Because it's a double.
That's the double root. So don't cut through it. Don't cut through it. It needs to bounce back. And this one is,
This one more.
yeah, then one more. But this is also bounce back. Right.
Okay, good.
Did you get it? Any questions? Is that the one you have in mind? If not, then you probably go wrong then. Yeah?
And I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that here was.
Yeah. Last one, last one. Yeah? Okay. Last one.
Three left.
You look so mysterious. You look like the cover. You look like the cover of a book.
Oh, hell no, this is not that.
You look like the cover of a book.
Okay. Let's see who didn't have point today. Valerie, did I ask you? Did I call you? All right, I do though. Yeah, I do though. No, do this one first. Not a roughing yet. What are you gonna do first? Yeah, x equal to -3. X equal to +3. X equal to +5. Double root, which one?
Yeah. The glasses.
Yeah, but which one? Which one?
Oh my.
-3. Okay, the square is double root. Okay, good job. 1 point for I do though. I do though. Yeah, say you're right. You saying it right? Yeah. You don't even know?
No mistake.
Mister, you didn't even know how to say his name.
I do though. I do though. I do though, right?
No,
No.
he did not letting you.
This
Huh?
was like in semester.
I never said it right. But
No, you never
he
said
did
it.
not.
Then he knows it's him.
Wait, how say it right? Eduardo. You said correctly in the first day. Eduardo.
How you play that?
Eduardo. Okay, how do you say my name? My Vietnamese name.
Oh.
See, you gotta say it right too. That's why. That's right. He never told me to. How do you say it right? You know the name, but you don't know how to say it right.
Wait, what name?
It's written.
Not that. Okay.
How do you say it? How do you say it?
Is it book?
I heard. I need to recover from that. Still hearing recording. Oh, yeah.
Like not the English.
Yeah, that's this one.
But how do you say it?
That's right. Who know how to say it's correct? I don't think you can say it right.
Is it book?
I got that a lot. I got that a lot.
Is it book?
Close.
But
It sounds so right when the phone now. Book. See, it's you cannot say my name right too. Anyway, not worry about recording. Maybe we should not post the recording. You on your own, but if you want, okay? No recording. All right.
0 and 4.
0, 0 and
4.
4. What is the 0 there?
Huh?
What is the 0? Where's the location of the 0? So figure out. You want to do it on the board. I know you don't need to find this. I mean, to find this. Find the location.
1/2.
So do it. Raise your hand if you got the answer. Valerie, what do you get? Very good.
Oh, it's right.
67.5. Very good. 1 point for Valerie. Who got the 4? Louis. Should I give point to him or you? Negative 24.5. All right. 1 point for Louis.
I do that to my
Is
dog.
it 24.5?
Not like that, not like that. It's because it's he understand.
Is it?
That's what I got.
Okay, so 1/2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 squared. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So 49 divided by 2. Yeah, 24.5. Negative 24.5. Very good. Okay, so all right. Who wants to wrap? Gary, let's go. She needs point. She needs point. She won top of the class, but she didn't not have participate point. Huh? It's still fine. You still have lessons. Only when we have a test or something, or I will absent, then I give you no participant point or four. Get one more. Common tutoring then.
I can't.
You done?
More than more.
Let me see.
Okay, probably all of y'all.
Who finished? Who finished? Let me see.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Mr. I have a question.
I just want to see you about the
You know, I was so stressed, but like I realized we still haven't done credit.
You still meet on party, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot. Why was I so stressed?
I know, right?
Yeah.
It is correct. So 2 points for Gary. Very good. Yeah. Yeah, we should. We never seen Gary go to the board. Okay, so do the right two end. The right end just go up. The left also go up. And you need to pass the point. Do you see how she put the estimation? That's good. This is 0.67.5. And it is 4, negative 24.5. So the estimate, you don't need to be exact, okay? So I have 2 and 1 go up and the other go up as well because it's even. How many X I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's even. LC is 1/2. So that's why it is positive. So positive. And then if you have the 2 end ready, you kind of know this need to go up to at this point because it's also bounce back. Because this. All right, that's it. Good job, everyone.